We are in this small municipality in the western part of the island of La Palma. The center of the town of Tazacorte is very historic and is located inland. About 3 kilometers from the center is this seaside development, which is called Puerto and is well known to tourists. That will be our destination today. Historically, this area was the first to be conquered by the Spanish, who arrived at the cove, now known as Puerto de Tazacorte, and encountered little resistance from the indigenous people. Over the years, this port has become increasingly important for the commercialization of the valley's produce. Initially sugar cane, then mainly cochineal, and finally tomatoes and bananas. After passing the small shrine of Our Lady of Sorrows, we arrive at the town center, which is divided into 2 parts. One part here on the right, which is more modern, residential, and has service buildings and sports areas, and another part closer to the sea, which we will see in a moment. Here, in the area closest to the ocean, the houses are all a maximum of 3 or 4 floors high, colorful, and very close to each other. The alleys exude an atmosphere of vacation, relax, and the sea. Even if a motorcycle disturbs us, we continue through these narrow alleys to reach the beach. The village is very beautiful, and the mountains behind it make this place unique. The beach stretches for approximately 1 kilometer and is made of black volcanic sand. The square with its colorful houses, bar umbrellas, and tables a splendid opportunity to relax. It's 10 a.m. There aren't many people around yet, but there are never many tourists here. Now let's look at the whole area from above. The valley just behind the houses is full of green banana plantations. Once you've crossed this other mountain, you can see the city of Tazacorte at the top, also surrounded by crops. The small port has been expanded over the years, and since 2014, it has been replaced by this new large facility, with hundreds of berths for boats and the possibility of accommodating larger vessels. On the far right of the port, this large esplanade is also used to host events. The most important was the Love Festival in 2024, which also featured Ricky Martin and Martin Garrix. However, the port is currently mainly used for tourism, although commercial traffic is also expected to develop. The beach from here is even more beautiful, and the few people who swim there seem to appreciate it very much. The view from above is spectacular, but seeing these large mountains on both sides from the ground also makes the place very charming. We continue our walk along this beautiful promenade. Don't forget to push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. These small gestures are free for you, but very useful for the channel. I don't know exactly what it was or what it was going to be, but now it seems a little abandoned. We'll see what it becomes. For now, I bid you farewell, and thank you for joining me on this visit to this place. See you in the next video.